If you own a Toyota Hybrid, you've heard of Cablegate. Today, we're performing the official 25TD01 recall to save this owner from a $5,000 repair. Safety first. We're going into the back to pull the high voltage service plug. Pro tip, once you pull this, wait 10 minutes for the capacitors to discharge before touching those orange cables. Now we're under the rear of the car. We need to drop this plastic shield to get our eyes on the rear motor generator, or MGR. This is the Cablegate connector. We're unbolting it now to inspect for any green, crusty corrosion. This one actually looks salvageable. Slide back the old plastic cover. This is where Toyota's original design let moisture and salt sit, which caused all those failures. I'm using painter's tape here just to protect the terminal ends. We want this area pristine before we start the weatherproofing process. First layer of defense, the insulator tape. This creates the primary barrier against the elements. This is the secret sauce, F.I.P.G. We're applying this liberally to seal out moisture. This is what Toyota's new campaign is all about. We're snapping on the updated protector covers. These zipper tubes are much better at shedding water. Snug them down with the provided ties. One more bead of F.I.P.G. right on the connector face to ensure a 100% watertight seal. It feels solid. No more moisture is getting in there. Don't eyeball this. We're torquing these to spec to ensure we have a perfect electrical connection. Cover goes back on. This car is now protected. Pop the service plug back in, lock it down, and we're done. Get this 25TD01 recall done by 2028 to lock in your 10-year warranty. Subscribe for more Toyota tech tips.